Hi guys, my name is Sylvia. I want to share with you top 8 tips to enable you get a scholarship. I hope you find this very resourceful. The first tip, start your search early. The earlier you start your research, the sooner you get support. Create a plan and focus on your application. Be open-minded and positive that you would find one that is suitable for you so that you can focus solely on your studies when your studies begin. Step 2. Apply for scholarships that fits to you. Don't randomly send CV to the most popular scholarship funders. They would probably be oversaturated and the chances might be very slim. Focus on sending to the organization that has the opportunities that match your profile and personality. Please send several applications to increase your chances of securing one. Also, look for less known organizations. There might be organizations that are struggling to find enough candidates each year, yeah, because maybe they're not well known. So, by all means, please search for such opportunities so as to increase your chances of securing one with them. Step number 3, don't miss deadlines. I repeat, please do not miss deadlines. This would be the biggest mistake anyone can make because many scholarships have one deadline per year. So if you miss it, this means waiting for another full year before you can apply again. So pay attention to the deadline and make sure to have all your documents sent before this date. If possible, please mark it in your calendar. That way you get reminded when it's approaching or if you need to get something done so that you just have everything, in one at your reach. Number 4, personalize your applications. Guys, if you are getting value from this content, what are you waiting for? Please click the like button to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people and also to encourage me. Also, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new and exciting videos like this. Personalize your application. Don't make the common mistake of many applicants preparing one application for all. This doesn't really work well because the best approach here is to personalize each application to suit the funder's need. For example, a simple thing like addressing the application to the right person mentioned at the website or responding based on the objectives of the awarding body shows that you really took out time to apply to them, and it's often very well rewarded. So please take note. Step number 5, fill out all application form. When applying for a scholarship, make sure to fill out all application form. An incomplete application often leads to rejection most of the time. Step 6, check your application. Read through your application carefully and correct any mistake, be it spelling or grammatical error. Also ensure that all data are factually correct. Follow any instruction given, given on the website regarding submitting this application. This is very important. Step 7, be professional. Please be professional. Leave a very good first impression with your application by ensuring that all your information is accurate. You can also include a professional profile photo with high quality, even if it's not requested. This is like a step further. This is often very well received. Keep to the rules by all means. Do not make do make sure that you understand what is required of you so as not to stand a chance of rejection. Don't constitute nuisance by contacting them regarding your application or sending them mails when it's not required of you. Please refrain from doing that if you are asked to do this on the website. So please don't do this. I wish you good luck with your application. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Check on the next video you see on your screen right now regarding scholarships, so you could just go through it. There are a lot of scholarships that was discussed there, and check out all our other videos. You could gain one or two things from them. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.